Drinking rocket stove tea by the beehive, with the morning song of a magpie. Acorns drop on small tin roofs, bringing in the early news. The garden grounds us in the throng of life. The forest grows you into you. Our apples come with codling moth. Our pears this year are not that much. Locusts have been, figs on their way. Mulberries print more news of the day. An orchard treats us to the gifts of the sun. Abundance grows our gratitude. A garden grounds us in the throng of life. A forest grows you into you. All we need is access to land. Land we tend with many hands. Raise some goats to eat the weeds. Our protein grown from blackberry. A farm shows us how to love and kill. To labour hand in hand with change. An orchard treats us to the gifts of the sun. Abundance grows our gratitude. If we brought home a TV and bought our food in a city, were patterned by an authority and swallowed that ideology, we would darken and despair. We'd be messed up in our heads. The news of the world is found right here. Found in relationship, not fear. A rocket stove, tea and a beehive. The morning song of a magpie. Acorns drop on small tin roofs, bringing in our trusted news. A garden grounds us in the throng of life. A forest grows you into you. An orchard treats us to the gifts of the sun. Abundance grows our gratitude. A farm shows us how to love and kill. To labour hand in hand with change. A river schools us to be wild and free. A mountain is our university.